I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: trust wallet updated, seed phrase backed up, and enough native token for gas. Next, open Trust Wallet and tap Settings, then Wallets to select the wallet you'll use. Once done, choose Add Custom Network or Custom RPC in the app menu. This is where you'll paste Interlink's RPC endpoint and chain ID. Make sure to double-check values to avoid wrong networks. After entering the basics, save and return to the main wallet screen to continue. Now you'll input the detailed network settings. Paste the RPC URL, enter the exact chain ID, set the token symbol, and optionally add a block explorer URL. You must type values precisely. A single wrong digit breaks connectivity. Once the fields are populated, tap Save. Trust Wallet validates basic formatting but may not verify endpoints. After saving, the new Interlink network appears in your network selector. Make sure to switch to it before attempting token transfers or contract Final steps: switch to the Interlink network and confirm your balance and recent activity display correctly. This verifies connectivity. If the network fails to load, change to a different public RPC endpoint or re-enter the chain ID, then restart Trust Wallet and try again. Also clear app cache or reinstall if settings seem ignored. If problems continue and RPC and chain ID are correct, reach out to Interlink support or community channels for node status. Make sure not to reveal your seed phrase during troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.